Meteorologist Alan Rose, as we are under a weather alert today, Alan.
Yeah, but I enjoyed yesterday. I'm not going to lie. It was a nice and calm day for once because now things are ramping back up with another storm system knocking on the doorstep this morning. Now, today's impacts will mainly include wind and fire danger threats from 11 a.m. until 6 p.m. We've also got a continuation of very strong wind and heavy mountain snow expected through at least late Friday. For local impacts, it's a mild spring storm with the potential for a few inches of accumulation, mainly above 6,000 feet as we head towards late tomorrow. All right, let's get you out the door this morning. Maybe you're getting the coffee ready, the kids' lunches for school. We're at 24 in Monument in the Springs. Chilly outside in most areas, but the wind-prone spots in the 40s like Walsenburg, Levita, and Westcliff. And some of those areas already gusting up over 30 miles per hour. Those spots, as you'll notice on Futurecast, will certainly see the wind pick up first. And by the lunch hour, watch out. Really strong southwest winds developing here. They'll continue to strengthen through early to mid-afternoon. Some of those gusts in the high wind warning area could be in excess of 60 to 65 miles an hour. Now, north of Highway 50, it's also going to be a gusty day, but our wind speeds generally around 30 to 50 miles an hour for Pueblo, Canyon City, and the Pikes Peak region. That southwest Chinook wind, it's a warm one. We like to call this setup the warm before the storm. You can see as temperatures do respond due to that southwest wind. 60 today in the Springs. Upper 60s expected in Pueblo. Broad area of low pressure that will divide into several pieces of energy will impact our weather today, Friday, even into Saturday morning as that snow lingers, especially south of Highway 50 past midnight Friday night. Now today it'll be windy and warmer, but look what happens on the model here. It does show a few spotty showers moving towards I-25 and the eastern plains. So I think skies are going to look unsettled this afternoon. It's pretty dry at the surface, so some of that could be Virga, but don't be surprised between 3 and 8. The Springs and Canyon if you get a quick passing shower. Then tomorrow we'll get a cold front in the morning. Behind that front, that's going to bring in our best potential for some snow showers generally near the I-25 corridor. Lots of uncertainty with the system, especially below 6,000 feet. And it looks like the model really favors some pretty hefty snowfall totals into the southeastern mountains and southern I-25 corridor. So watch out. Travel here likely impacted. Maybe could see some road closures down towards Levita Pass, towards the Raton Mesa Friday night for the Springs. I have our numbers around trace to 2 inches, 1 to 3 for Monument, 2 to 4 up towards Woodland Park. Look at the warmth today, especially east of the mountains. Some of our plains locations into the low 70s. We'll be in the 60s here in the Springs. Windy with a sprinkle possible this afternoon. Snow moves in Friday night. It pretty much wraps up well before sunrise Saturday. And as you look ahead to Sunday, a high of 61. For Pueblo, you've got this late week storm that brings the wind and warmth today, the possibility of a wintry mix with some rain and snow showers Friday night into very early Saturday morning. For Canyon City, a quick shot of snow here with lower impacts from the incoming storm, and then warmth follows next week with perhaps another prolonged stretch of some stronger wind towards the middle of the week. Woodland Park, we've got a few light snow showers, low impact stuff today, and then we've got a few inches expected Friday night. Drier skies returning just in time for the weekend.